So you're trying to install Windows 11 and you got this error. Don't panic. Let me show you how to solve it. To solve this issue, you must have in the same folder the ISO file from your Windows 11 and an ISO file from Windows 10. So what we're going to do here is to replace a particular file that is available on Windows 11 and also available in Windows 10. So what I'm going to do here is to extract my Windows 11 ISO file, and you can do this using 7-zip or WinRAR. Now open your Windows 11 ISO file and find install.win or install.esd. As you can see, mine is right here. So what I'm going to do here is copy this file and put it outside. Now that I have this file right here outside, the next thing to do is to extract the Windows 10 Pro ISO file. And you can do this the same way using WinRAR. Now that we are extracting the Windows 10 files, I recommend you to install PowerISO if you don't have. We are going to use PowerISO here to build an ISO file, because since we are extracting the ISO files from Windows 10 and Windows 11 and then exchange the files inside, to complete this process we have to build an ISO file that will have the replaced file inside. The process of extracting the file is also finished, so I'm going back to the folder now. Now here inside the Windows 10 extracted files, we are going to look for the same files we looked for inside Windows 11 files. So here we're going to look for install.win. Here you can see that I have 4 files with install.win extension. I'm going to delete all these files here. You can directly delete those files here, or you can do the same thing using the PowerISO. So to do that, what we're going to do is open the ISO file using the PowerISO. To do that, click on the Windows 10 ISO file, right click and select to open it using PowerISO. Now that you have opened the file, click on Sources and look for those files with install.win extension. As you can see here, I have all those 4 files. Now select them and click on Delete. Now that we've done that, what we are going to do here is copy that file that we have extracted from Windows 11 ISO file and put it inside this Windows 10 files. So now that we have copied the files here, what we are going to do is build an ISO file from it. So to do that, since we are already inside the Windows 10 ISO file, we just have to click on Save. And that's it. The next thing to do, if you want, is just change the name to Windows 11. This is what I'm going to do, and you have done. Now what you have to do is to create a bootable device from USB drive. Once you have done that, you are ready to go to install your Windows 11 on your machine. Well everyone, that's all for this video. I hope you've learned something, and if you did, don't forget, share it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Soon I'll be posting a video about Windows 11, so stay tuned.